Conjugation of the verb to learn in 12 English tenses with examples. We, they, you. Simple present. We learn together in study groups. They learn new skills quickly. You learn something new every day. Simple past. We learned the lesson yesterday. They learnt the truth eventually. You learnt the basics last week. Simple future. We will learn the new curriculum next semester. They will learn how to code soon. You will learn a lot in this course. Present continuous. We are learning Spanish this year. They're learning new languages. You are learning how to use the new software. Past continuous. We were learning about the solar system last week. They were learning together before the test. You were learning the ropes yesterday. Future continuous. We will be learning all semester. They will be learning about environmental science next year. You will be learning new things in your new job. Present perfect. We have learned a lot this year. They have learned from their experiences. You have learnt so much already. Past perfect. We had learnt everything before the exam. They had learned to work as a team. You had learnt how to use it by the time you arrived. Future perfect. We will have learnt the material by the end of the course. They will have learned to play the piano by then. You will have learnt a lot by the end of the year. Present perfect continuous. We have been learning for several months. They have been learning since January. You have been learning new skills regularly. Past perfect continuous. We had been learning for hours before the break. They had been learning together for years. You had been learning that subject for a long time. Future perfect continuous. We will have been learning for 5 years by then. They will have been learning for a decade. You will have been learning new skills for months.